Hello dear viewers, the model of the phone that I have in my hand is Oppo A53. This phone model is Oppo A53. Now today I'll show you how to change the font style and how to add a new font to your phone. If you want to change the font style of the phone, first you have to go to settings. Then from here you will give your phone internet connection. Then find settings option and click on settings. After click on settings, it will be presented with many options from here. You will see an option called sync Wi-Fi. Then click on Wi-Fi and give your phone internet or Wi-Fi connection. After giving internet connection, we'll back. From here you will see an option called personalization. Then click on it. After click on it, you will see an option called font and display. Then click on font and display. After clicking on the font style, font and display size, you will see an option called turn down more. Then click on more. After click on more, you will see menu font style in front of you. If you like the font, you will click on apply. After making an application, after a while there will be another option called apply. You will click on apply again. As soon as you click, the font style of your phone will be changes. And if you want to again restore your font style, click on back. Again go to personalizations and click on font and display size and click on Reboto and change your font style again. So viewers, if you want to like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.